Hi guys, this is day 2 of making a secret base. I haven't made any video since Monday because we have school. And this is what we made. There's ants. And that's my ugly ass little brother.
Shit. To the fuck.
Hey! May sabay na! Lah!
Iga, gumis. Ilinsi ka? Ha?
And our roof broke.
Saan mo?
Bro, may kabalo. We don't know why our roof broke at all of a sudden.
Kaya kabalo ko, nadi mo na mo sa hamon niya.
Secret base. We still haven't made any progress inside because of the rain.
Kulang pa na, damo pa kami kulang sa hamon niya nga, no? Kagang lagari nga, ano, chainsaw na ano pa, na wala.
It got...
It's gone ba?
Yeah. And my dog is not allowed to get out because he bites people. That's why he's crying right now.
Kaya, yan na sa Oy, mga guys. Ang amon nga ginahimo subong, di ba? Ano na eh? Secret base. Kaso lang itong ablamayo. Di ba? Law ay. Pero, pananian to natin. Kasi, umulan ng ano eh. Ng isang adlaw. Kaya, ano nagawa to?
Umalan is raining in the Philippines.
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
There is so many trash we can use it.
Kaya, ito na yung gagamitin natin guys. Pangtapal natin dito.
This will be our floor. Sa loob na lang natin floor.
Di kaunta na nyo.
Ngani ko na lang na gagamitin natin sa logo. Ngagit ang bahon mo kitang gate. Ay, mabakal ko ba dapat recycle things niya, no?
Recycle ba?
Only recycle things. We cannot buy things. That's why we use human trash. You have to... Trash! Ginahawas ng mga tao.
This is a Spider-Man.
In the Philippines, we have lots of spiders. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. That's there.
Guys, I'm poor but I can do it with recycle things.
Yeah. We're gonna plan to make this thing, to make that a cooking cauldron. We will cut it to pieces. Oh, gagapasa ka na gate?
Mas namin yung sa loob ng amon niya.
Yeah, oh.